Welcome to the DSM Sunscreen Optimizer, the smartest sunscreen simulation tool. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step through the basic features of this tool. We recommend starting your workflow by entering the sun protection factor you want to achieve. Next, you select the region for which you want to develop your sunscreen product. Then you select your filters. Even though you can add and remove filters at any time during your workflow, we recommend selecting all filters, which you may wish to consider in the ideas you want to compare. In the filter selection table, filters are listed per default with the DSM trade name or their abbreviation, but this can be fully personalized as shown in the next tutorial. In case of uncertainties, you can find the corresponding INCI names when you place the mouse over the name. The table provides a lot of useful information which should help you make your choices. You may instantly recognize filters which are not approved in the selected region by their grey background color and find the maximum approved concentration here. The filter type tells you in which UV range this filter shows most of its protection. And symbols on the very right of the table show you if a filter is solid and needs to be solubilized, if a filter is liquid and may even act as solvent, or if it is an insoluble particulate filter which is dispersed rather than solubilized. Now you can start to enter your first idea. With each input, you will get an immediate calculation result in the result table below. This is a very efficient way to learn how each individual filter impacts the performance of the combination. The color indication shows when you have reached your desired performance by turning from red to green. It also tells you which criteria are not met yet and where further adjustment is needed. The background color in the input table will help you with this adjustment. For UVB filters, it is blue. For UVA filters, turquoise, and for broad spectrum filters, it is green. For keeping track of your ideas, you can give your idea a name in this field. To enter another idea, you can either add an empty column or you can copy a column, which is very practical to investigate the influence of only minor changes. In the graph below, you can compare the UV spectra of your ideas. You can choose whether an individual spectrum is shown or not for a better overview. You can remove each filter here, but please be aware that all results where this filter has been used will be impacted. You can remove each idea here. Exceeding the maximum approved concentration of a filter in the selected region will be indicated by a red mark around the corresponding field. Your current calculation will be stored in case you log out. This allows you to continue your work whenever you want. When you are satisfied with your results and want to keep them, you can archive the calculation. To start a new evaluation process, you can either clear all or keep your choice of filters by selecting Clear Table. If you are interested in how to personalize the DSM Sunscreen Optimizer, please stay tuned for the next tutorial.